Can you trust what you see and hear? In a world where reality is increasingly manipulated, we find ourselves standing on the cliff of an unsettling era. Let's dive into the dark of the rise of deepfakes, how technology is making it harder to trust what we see and hear. Let's uncover the alarming advancements in artificial intelligence and deep learning that have birthed a new form of deception. From celebrity impressions to political propaganda, deepfakes have the power to warp reality and erode the very foundations of trust. As technology evolves, so do the sophistication and accessibility of these malicious tools, leaving us questioning what is real and what is fabricated. Behind the scenes, advanced algorithms analyze countless hours of data, enabling machines to flawlessly replicate human expressions, voices, and even mannerisms. With just a few clicks, anyone can become an exploiter, manipulating videos with unprecedented ease. The consequences are far-reaching. Elections can be shaked, reputations dim, and public trust shattered. As deepfakes multiplies, discerning truth from fiction becomes a subtle challenge, shaking the very core of our information ecosystem. Welcome to the unsettling world of deepfakes, where reality becomes a workable concept and the line between truth and fiction becomes blurred. Let's dive into the depths of this technological phenomenon and unearth the chilling facts and figures that underscore its rise. But before moving further, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Here are a few areas. The multiplication of deepfakes. Deepfake technology has seen a rapid evolution in recent years, becoming more accessible and sophisticated. According to a report by Deeptrace, the number of deepfake videos found online has nearly doubled since 2018. This exponential growth highlights the increasing prevalence and potential impact of manipulated media. Political manipulation and disinformation. Deepfakes have become a potent weapon in the world of politics, enabling the creation of convincing videos and spread disinformation and propaganda. A notable example in the altered videos of political figures such as world leaders and candidates delivering speeches or engaging in controversial actions. These manipulated videos can incite confusion, sway public opinion, and disrupt democratic process. Threats to journalism and media integrity. The rise of deepfakes poses significant challenges to journalistic integrity and media trust. Journalists now face the daunting task of verifying video evidence, as deep fakes can cast doubt on the authenticity of recorded events. This undermines the fundamental role of the media in informing the public and holding those in power accountable. Impact on social relationships and personal security. Deepfakes have the potential to harm individuals at a personal level, eroding trust in relationships and compromising personal security. Intimate deepfake of videos known as deepfake porn exploit the likeness of unsuspecting individuals, leading to emotional distrust, reputational damage, and the violation of privacy. Victims find themselves grappling with the devastating consequences of these malicious creations. Technological advancements and the arms race. As deepfake detection technology advances, so too does the sophistication of deepfake creation methods. Deepfake algorithms are becoming more difficult to detect, requiring constant innovation and vigilance in developing effective detection techniques. This ongoing technological arms race underscores the urgency of staying one step ahead in the battle against digital manipulation. Legal and ethical considerations. The rise of deepfakes has prompted discussions surrounding legal and ethical frameworks to combat their harmful effects. Legislators and policymakers are grappling with the need for regulations that balance freedom of expression and privacy rights while curbing the misuse of deepfake technology. The development of robust and comprehensive laws is crucial to safeguarding individuals and society at large. Researchers, tech companies, and policymakers are actively engaged in the race to combat deepfakes, developing innovative detection tools and raising awareness about their implications. Through collaboration and ongoing research, we can shape a path towards a more resilient and trustworthy digital future. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you did, subscribe to the channel and share with others. Also, if you have any thoughts or comments, do mention in the comment box.